Deal with it. Rastafari. Rise to the occasion, you know. A Reggae Vibes music, yeah. Come to teach the youths there. Come to teach the youths there. Don't trust no Babylon, cause Babylon not like you. Don't fear no wicked man, cause wicked man them not righteous. No matter where you see a one, a time for we rise up. Them things say are them alone, but everyone wise up. So, yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Babylon not help you. Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Oh, wow, wow. Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Babylon not help you. Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Oh, wow, wow. By the strength of the Almighty, you'll reach to the top. Keep working smart and pray a whole lot. The mission is to liberate the people, and that's a fact. Only truth and knowledge can bridge this generation gap. The people strive for a better life. You push them aside and that's no right. The people try every little thing, and every day them get a fight, yeah. Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Babylon not help you. Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Oh, wow, wow. Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Babylon not help you. Yes, you gotta get out the Babylon system. Oh, wow, wow. You sit down and now wait for your break, while your life and your future is at stake. You think said them a go bring it come gear. Them no know your Babylon now want see ya. Make the first move towards your project. The picnic them want food off his surface. I pray for the Most High, guide each and everyone higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Yes, you gotta get out the